The best time to experience Niagara Falls' stunning fall colors is mid to late October, when vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows create a breathtaking natural display. Not only can you witness the beauty of autumn by day, but as the sun sets, Niagara Falls comes alive with an extraordinary evening illumination. Our Niagara Falls Illumination and Night USA tours offer stunning views after dark. For a unique experience, try the Evening Illumination Boat Tour for an up-close view of the illuminated falls. Make the most of your trip with our day, evening, and private tours from Toronto, Brampton, Mississauga, Oakville, Milton, Hamilton, Burlington, Richmond Hill, and Niagara-on-the-Lake to Niagara Falls. Experience the stunning fall colors and magical illumination of Niagara Falls with our day and evening tours. Book now for unforgettable memories. Like, share, and subscribe for more travel adventures.